Hi, I'm Dr. Tammy Powley from Indian River State College, and today I'm going to discuss the use of an outline when writing your essay or your research paper. It's a great way to start the writing process. There are two types of outlines. There's a formal and an informal outline. An informal outline tends to be written in fragments and phrases, whereas a formal outline will have complete, grammatically correct sentences. I really suggest starting with the formal outline. That way you have sentences already when you go to write your draft, and you won't have that daunting blank screen or blank page in front of you. Before you even start the draft, though, or an outline, you need to have a thesis sentence. This is the focus of your paper, and it should clearly connect to whichever topic your instructor has assigned you to write about. Always make sure that it's a complete sentence, not a question. And in today's example, I'm using this thesis: primates should not be used in the entertainment industry. Obviously, this lends itself to the argumentation approach to writing because there are two sides to this issue, pro and con, for and against. So moving on, this is how we're going to use this thesis and create an outline around it. Once you have a thesis, you then need to develop topic sentences. And topic sentences are reasons why your thesis is true. They do not repeat the thesis. Repeating the thesis is just repetition. Saying the same thing over and over and over again is not the same as supporting it. So when you write your thesis, the next thing you need to do is think about why is your thesis correct, and this will help you develop those topic sentences. You're going to need topic sentences for each body paragraph. And once you have at least one topic sentence, you can actually go on to formatting the outline. In this slide, this is an example of how you would actually write out your formal outline, starting with the thesis at the top. Primates should not be used in the entertainment industry. And then you have Roman number 1, 2, 3, and so on to indicate each topic sentence. So you would place your topic sentences there, and then under A, B, C, and so on, you would include details from sources. That's where your sources belong. This is especially important if you're doing a research paper. So for our example here, I've come up with two reasons to support the thesis sentence. First, topic sentence 1, young primates are taken from their mothers to be trained. Notice how I plugged that right into Roman number 1. And then Roman number 2 has another topic sentence. Digital advances make it unnecessary to use live primates. So you have two topic sentences. Now, this is a really short outline, so keep in mind if you were going to write a longer paper, say your paper was anywhere from 500 to 750 words, you would want at least 3 topic sentences, all right? The longer the paper and the more involved your topic in general is, the subject matter that you're writing about, the more topic sentences you're going to need to develop. Once you have some topic sentences, the next idea is to start filling out the A, B, C's, and so on. Those are the details, illustrations, and examples from your sources. In this example outline, what I've done is I went over to the Save the Chimps website, which is a sanctuary in St. Lucie County, Florida, and I pulled out a quote. Notice how I already have this in MLA format. MLA stands for Modern Language Association, and not only is it a complete sentence, which again you need for a formal outline, but I've also included a signal phrase, quotation marks, and at the end, in the parentheses, you can see an in-text citation. According to Save the Chimps, the training methods required to perform unnatural behaviors are incompatible with the chimpanzee's emotional and psychological needs. So already I have 3 sentences, and if I count the topic sentence before, I have 4 sentences already that I can use when I go on to write the draft. So I know this may seem daunting, it may seem like, well, why am I going to spend all that time when I could just go write the paper? But the idea of the outline is that if you spend, say, 15 to maybe even 20 minutes at the most writing out your outline, developing your ideas, you then have a roadmap to follow. You know what you're going to write, when you're going to write it. You know a focus and how you're going to get to the end of that journey so you can write that draft, okay? So don't think that you're not, that you're wasting your time or anything. So once you have developed your topic sentences and you've plugged those into your outline, the next thing you need to do is add in the details, and those go in the areas A, B, C, and so on. You notice here I already have A filled out in the sample outline. I got this quote from the Save the Chimp Sanctuary, which is a sanctuary located in Fort Pierce, Florida. And notice how I already have not only a complete sentence, but I have quotation marks and an in-text citation along with it. I've gone ahead and taken the extra step to add in the MLA, modern language association formatting. It may seem a little picky at this point, but you don't want to have to do that later because you might forget where you got this information from. So yeah, that's kind of it. You're just going to fill out the quotes, add in your sources, add in your topic sentences, and the more detailed the outline, the more time you're actually going to save yourself later on and write that draft. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.